Hi everyone. In the last few videos, I have shown you how to create a model of your house and how it models the plumbing of your house. Well, today what I want to show you is how to create a list, a shopping list of maybe some of the pipes that you want to buy to do some of the plumbing for your house. Let's say that you have a kitchen sink right here and it's coming down and then you have to take it all the way to the main stack. So you could create a shopping list, a very easy shopping list. You click the edit button on easy do-it-yourself remodel. Uh, and actually not that button, edit, the pen button. And then pick the add to cart mode. And that's kind of like your shopping cart. And then you can just click the pipes that you want as such. It kind of took me the other way, but let me just go back here and it will highlight the uh, the size of the pipe and it will give you the length as well. So I could add another pipe right here. Notice that the shopping cart will be a little, it will have this button, how many items you have. It's not like you're buying them, it's just like for you to take it to Home Depot or Lowe's and just make it easier on you. So let me try to add this pipe here. I'll add that one instead. And if it is the same size, it won't try to add another item. It will just try to add to the number of um, pipes that they have at the store. Like it'll I'll just continue adding to the length of it. And so I'll tell you if they sell it, if the length of the pipes that they sell at the store is maybe like 10 feet, then I'll just keep adding to that list and uh, and not consider it a different item. So I added that. I added that other piece right there. Um, and I added this one again, so it's gonna probably give me 22. I was trying to add the Y fitting here, the 45 Y fitting here, but it won't let me. So I'll work with the team to do that, but it should let me add it. So anyhow, once you're done, you can close this and look at your um, list. Remember that I added the this pipe, this long pipe to the shopping cart, and it says here that the length of it will be the length that I will need is going to be 43 feet and 6 inches because I added it twice. However, I could just go, reduce that if I wanted to. And this quantity is just saying that the standard length that they sell it at is 10 feet. And so it was saying buy 5 of those. Okay. So if I save this, I save it, it said that it was successfully saved. And so now I can go to the main screen, the landing page. Whenever you click to log out or leave the model, it'll try to save it for you. So now I can go to the profile and see my saved orders. Again, you're not saving them, but I'll just letting you, um, and you're not making any orders, it's just letting you save it so that when you go to the store, you can come back to this link, click on it, and it'll show, oh, I have these items. So I added something earlier, a copper pipe, and the length of it was the run the length of the run was 24 feet. So it kept those items there. So it keeps adding to it. Okay. So here's another one. Here's another the pipe that I just added 2 seconds ago. So anyhow, you can just go to the store and look for PVC 1 and 1/2 um, inch pipe, and you should get 3 of them, 10 feet each. So if you get 10, so that's not going to give you 43 because that's because I reduced the quantity earlier. So anyhow, if you need to learn how to model the your house and be able to document for the next homeowner, kind of like a Carfax, or if you want to document for yourself, you can visit easydoityourselfremodel.com and sign up to create your house. And I'll have some links on the upper right corner of the video for you to look at. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.